Embrace your journey, unveiling Allah's masterpiece plan for you. In the tapestry of life's challenges, the Quran emerges as a beacon of guidance, offering solace and wisdom through the stories of prophets who faced adversity with unwavering faith. These narratives not only provide comfort, but also teach us the profound lesson that, in the grand design of the Creator, every trial carries the seeds of a divine plan, often beyond our immediate understanding. The story of Prophet Joseph is a testament to patience and resilience in the face of betrayal and hardship. Despite being wronged by his own brothers and subjected to imprisonment on false charges, Yusuf's steadfastness and trust in Allah's plan culminated in his rise to a position of great authority in Egypt, where he was able to save countless lives from famine. Similarly, the narrative of Prophet Moses, exemplifies enduring patience and leadership. Leading the children of Israel out of Pharaoh's tyranny was fraught with challenges, from the parting of the Red Sea to the trials in the desert. Musa's life teaches us about the strength found in patience and unwavering faith in Allah's support, even when faced with a rebellious community. The story of Mary, the mother of Prophet Isa, Jesus, highlights the virtue of chastity and reliance on Allah's miracles. Her immaculate conception of Isa, despite facing societal accusations, serves as a powerful reminder of Allah's ability to manifest the extraordinary and safeguard the honor of the devout. Asiya, the wife of Pharaoh, stands as an emblem of courage and faith amidst oppression. Living under the roof of one of history's greatest tyrants, her secret faith in Allah and her prayer for a home in paradise exemplify the triumph of spiritual integrity over material power. Lastly, the story of Prophet Abraham encapsulates the essence of submission to Allah's will. From his exile due to his monotheistic beliefs to the ultimate test of his willingness to sacrifice his son, Ibrahim's life is a beacon of unwavering faith and recognition of Allah's supreme wisdom. These stories, coupled with the verses from Surah Al-Imran, which speak of Allah's unparalleled planning and providence, 327, 347, 354, 3145, underscore a fundamental truth. Allah's knowledge and wisdom far exceed human comprehension. His plans for us are always for the best, even if we may not understand them at the moment. The journey is just beginning. Subscribe now to be part of our community, where curiosity knows no bounds and knowledge is shared with enthusiasm. In reflecting upon these narratives and verses, we find solace in knowing that life's trials are not without purpose. They are divine tools for shaping our character, testing our faith, and ultimately bringing us closer to our Creator. As we navigate the highs and lows of our existence, let us hold firm to the belief that Allah has a beautiful plan for each of us, one that unfolds in the fullness of time with wisdom, mercy, and grace. The Quranic stories and the lives of the prophets not only offer historical narratives, but also serve as profound lessons in the unwavering trust in Allah's plan, particularly during times of hardship and uncertainty. These stories are not mere tales of the past, but are relevant lessons that apply to our lives today, teaching us resilience, faith, and the ultimate wisdom of Allah's decree. For instance, the trials faced by Prophet Job, embody immense patience and faith amidst suffering. Stripped of health, wealth, and family, Ayub's story is a powerful reminder that true faith in Allah's plan remains unshaken in the face of relentless trials. His enduring patience was rewarded by Allah, who restored his fortunes and blessed him with even more than he had before, showcasing that Allah's wisdom and mercy encompass all aspects of our lives. In contemporary times, we find numerous instances where individuals inspired by such Quranic stories exhibit remarkable resilience and faith. Consider the story of a modern-day individual who, despite facing severe illness and financial ruin, continued to place their trust in Allah's plan. Through their patience and unwavering faith, they not only recovered but also became a source of inspiration for others, illustrating the timeless lesson that with every hardship comes ease, as promised by Allah. Moreover, the Quranic verse from Surah Ash-Shah 94:5-6, "For indeed with hardship will be ease. Indeed with hardship will be ease," serves as a comforting reminder that Allah's support and relief are always near, encouraging believers to remain steadfast and hopeful. These stories and verses collectively teach us that while we may not always understand the reasons behind our trials and tribulations, there is wisdom and good in Allah's decree. They remind us to look beyond our immediate circumstances and to trust in Allah's plan, knowing that He is the best of planners. By reflecting on these narratives and applying their lessons in our lives, we can navigate the challenges of life with a heart full of faith, patience and gratitude towards Allah's infinite wisdom and mercy. Throughout Islamic history, countless individuals have demonstrated unwavering trust in Allah's plan, drawing inspiration from Quranic teachings and the examples set by prophets. These stories not only serve as a testament to their faith, but also offer practical lessons for facing life's challenges today. One of the most poignant examples comes from the life of Umar bin al-Khattab, who related a saying of the Prophet Muhammad that if people were to trust in Allah as the birds do, venturing out each day empty-stomached and returning full, they would be provided for. This hadith emphasizes the importance of putting in effort while maintaining full reliance on Allah for the outcomes, a principle that balances action with trust in divine provision. The concept of tawakkul, or absolute trust in Allah, is further illustrated by the early Muslims who, despite being warned of a formidable enemy, responded with increased faith and the declaration that Allah alone is sufficient for us and He is the best protector. Surah Ali Imran 373. This story highlights the transformative power of faith in overcoming fear and adversity. Another historical instance of trusting in Allah's plan is found in the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, where Prophet Muhammad SAW demonstrated patience and strategic wisdom in the face of apparent setbacks. The agreement, initially perceived as unfavorable, eventually paved the way for significant victories and the spread of Islam. This event underscores the importance of patience and strategic compromise, guided by trust in Allah's wisdom. In times of hardship, Muslims are encouraged to draw strength from patience, sabr, and prayer, recognizing that every difficulty faced is an opportunity for growth and closer connection to Allah. The Quran reassures believers that with patience and prayer, Allah's support is always near. Surah Al-Baqarah 253. Understanding Allah's attributes, such as His role as the guardian, the most great and the all-powerful, fosters a deeper trust and reliance on Him. This knowledge helps believers put their lives into perspective, recognizing that everything happens by His will and for a purpose, even if it's not immediately apparent. These historical and scriptural examples serve as powerful reminders that in every situation, whether of ease or hardship, there is an opportunity to grow in faith and draw closer to Allah. Trusting in His plan means recognizing that our knowledge is limited and His wisdom is infinite, and that ultimately everything is in His hands. The essence of tawakkul, or trust in Allah's plan, is beautifully encapsulated in the stories of the prophets and the lives of historical Muslims who exhibited unwavering faith amidst trials. These narratives, from the patience of Prophet Yusuf to the strategic wisdom of Prophet Muhammad in the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, offer timeless lessons on the power of faith, patience and reliance on Allah. The Quran and Hadith further reinforce this concept, teaching us that true reliance on Allah involves a balance between taking action and placing our trust in Him for the outcomes. Just as birds venture out each day in search of sustenance, we too are encouraged to make efforts while ultimately depending on Allah's provision. In conclusion, the stories from the Quran and Islamic history serve as profound reminders that Allah's wisdom is beyond our understanding, and that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth and reliance on Him. By internalizing these lessons and embodying tawakkul in our daily lives, we can navigate life's uncertainties with grace and steadfastness, drawing closer to Allah and enriching our faith. For deeper insight into these stories and the concept of tawakkul, further reading and reflection on the Quran and Hadith are encouraged. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating intersections of health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your mind, body and soul.